Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering classes. Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering classes. In this tutorial we will learn how to use the construction line command. Construction line command is basically used as a reference line, or it is used to locate any points or any object at a required position. Shortcut key for construction line command is Excel. So we'll see how to use this command. Here I am having this object. Now about this I'll draw a line here. Now suppose if I want to locate these corners of this rectangle on this line, then here I can use this construction line command. I'll give shortcut key Excel. Now here you'll see these options: horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect, offset. Now here I want to locate these points at this line, so we'll need the vertical construction line. So I'll choose this vertical. Now you can click on this point, here and here. You'll see you have located this point at this line. Similarly, if I draw a line here and I want these points, these corners on this line, then I can take this construction line command, choose the horizontal and click on these points. Your points will locate on this line. I'll delete this. Now next you'll see the angular option. If you click on angular, it will ask you for angle of X line. Angle of X line, I'll give 30 degree. Then you'll see here your construction line is at angle of 30 degree from the x-axis. You can click here or wherever you require. Now there is another method of using this construction line is offset method. Now this option offset is used when you want a construction line at a certain distance from any line. Then you can use this offset option. I'll click on this offset. Now here it will ask for distance, offset distance. I'll give 10, enter. Now I want this construction line at a distance of 10 mm from this line. So I'll click on this and I'll take it here. You'll see this construction line here. If you want at this side, then you can click on this line and click at this side. Suppose if you want from offset from this line, then click on this and click at this side. Now suppose I want a construction line at a 30 degree angle from this line. Then I'll take this reference. I'll take this line as a reference line. We'll give angle as 30, enter. Now you'll see this construction line is at 30 degree angle from this line. We'll click here. Similarly, again if I take this angle and reference, I'll take this as a reference line. We'll give angle at 20, enter. You'll see this line is at this construction line is at angle of 20 degree from this line. So hope you all have understood how to use this construction line command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.